Aloha, friends. This is Tutu Sainz. Um, I just recently discovered this amazing verse from the book of Revelation, which is the last book of the Bible. And it was written in Greek, and its title is derived from the first word of the text, which was apocalypse, which means unveiling or revelation. So to reveal. And this is the last chapter 22. And I just wanted to share this couple little verses here with you because it's like the last part of the whole New Testament and the Bible. So, chapter 22, and he showed me a pure river of water of life, clear as crystal, proceeding out of the throne of God and of the Lamb. In the midst of the street of it, and on either side of the river, there was there the tree of life, which bare 12 manners of fruits, and yielded her fruit every month. And the leaves of the tree were for the healing of the nations. So this really made me stop and think. It was just so parallel to the vision that I saw of the earth having clean water springing up out of it, clean, bubbly water coming out of fountains, of all kinds of food growing and animals living together harmoniously. And children were laughing, and there was infinite abundance. There was music and dancing and so much joy in this vision that I saw, that was when the earth is covered with food forests and we would all be well and whole again. So it's interesting that they mentioned different types of fruits, and there was fruit growing in every month. And that's such a fun idea. I love that. And very often we have different fruits in different months in our biodiverse um, climate, or our biodiverse yard. Sometimes we're getting oranges, and sometimes apples, and sometimes bananas, and sometimes pecans, and sometimes all kinds of different things. So this is the way that it's said to be in the future, according to this last book of the Bible called Revelation. And, a lot of trees do have healing leaves too, like the moringa tree leaves, pine needles, beech, mulberry. I found a little booklet that said what talked about edible leaves, and there are so many different kinds of edible healing leaves for the healing of the nations. So I think we're coming back around to a life like this, where we all are growing food forests, or biodiverse gardens with trees and all herbs and all kinds of different shrubs and everything growing together, um, so that we get the benefit of all the different things, rather than like growing only one crop or just growing a lawn. We'll be getting the benefit of different fruits and leaves throughout the year. And this does tie into the water, because trees can bring in water from the sky. Actually, when fog or rain comes along, or even just a moist cloud comes and hits the leaves of the tree, uh, the moisture condenses right there on the leaf, and it follows the tree's branches down the branch, down the trunk, and into the soil. So trees actually bring water into our environments. So I just thought this was an exciting and fun vision from the last book of the Bible that ties to this vision that I see uh, of a beautiful, peaceful earth. So that's one of the main reasons why I've been putting out my videos and books and my online course, Food Forest University, because gardens are like so united and so biodiverse, and they work as a beautiful system. And we are perfectly designed to create and steward the garden, create with it, plant seeds, harvest, prune, and even taking the wood for our fire to warm our food or to warm our homes, and then putting the ash back in. And even all of our bodily waste is good for the garden too. So it's this beautiful system, and it works beautifully year round. And I hope that if you're interested in getting in on this new way of living for the new earth, um, then please check out the rest of my channel. Um, like and subscribe to my channel, and you'll see many videos below this one that can teach you a lot of things. And also I have written 2 books about the food forest, about what it is and how to grow one. And I have a free online course right now where you can enroll if you are willing to um, agree to the terms and conditions, which are to share aloha and be kind to everyone, and to resolve any issues that we have between us with just speaking within. Uh, I don't really foresee us having any issues, but also we can use the ho'oponopono, which is to help us understand each other's point of view and have a forgiving attitude and an aloha attitude. And that is very important because in a food forest, you have to learn to adopt that mindset right away. You can't have a combative mindset. It's more of a observing, trying to understand, trying to work with it, and accommodating it to you and you to it. You make each other stronger. The plants make you stronger and you make them stronger. So it's a very fun way of gardening and growing. And I think it's actually the way that we will be going in the future. So I'm very excited to have found this little scripture that agrees or corroborates with the vision that I have of our beautiful planet Earth being healthy, whole, and all of us living in infinite abundance and sharing aloha. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have one, and enjoy your day. Enroll in Food Forest University to learn the 8 steps to growing a permaculture food forest garden in your yard and experience the joys of food freedom, health freedom, and financial freedom. Click below for access.